In this lecture, we are going to learn how to how to find correlation between any one or two variables. So here is a data set that y is representing the yields of or production of the any agriculture product. Depends on the three items like x1, x2, and x3. What are the x1, x2, x3? Here is the x1 is y is representing the production of the agriculture. X1 is the seed in kgs, x2 is the fertilizers, and x3 is the weedicides. So these are the three variables, independent variables, x1, x2, x3. So I want to find their correlation, how much they are related to each other, how much they are correlate each other. So I click on the analyze, find correlate. Here it is bivariate. So here you see that bivariate correlation field. Put x1 seed variables, x2 fertilizer, and x3 for weedicide. So these are the three variables. Here I want to see their correlation between. So automatically there is Pearson calculation selected, significant correlation, and the other options are also means and standard deviation. If you want to see means and standard deviation, cross product deviation, I don't need this, so continue. So Pearson calculation and automatic left two-tail test. These are the automatically things, no need. Even I don't need the flag significant. Click. So here it is the correlation tables, like descriptive statistics, seeds mean, fertilizers mean 5.9, weedicides mean 12.18. Here also you can see that there's respective standard deviations. Items are 11 seeds, 11 fertilizers, and number of 11 weedicides. So here it is the actual correlation table, seeds, fertilizers, and weedicides. So first seed is Pearson correlation. Seed to seed correlation is definitely, it will be complete 1. So these the combination of the seed to the seed is always 1. Similarly fertilizer to fertilizer is always 1, and weedicide to against weedicide is always 1 correlation. So these are the one-to-one relation. Here I want to see the seeds with the fertilizers correlation, that is 0.962. That is very significant. So you can see the sigma is 0.002 and number of item is 11. So if we want to see the weedicides against the fertilizer, that is 0.906 and sigma and number of item is 11. Here you can see its interpretations.